Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. In the last class we started block 11, desert and plateaus. We discussed some of the features of desert. Today we are going to discuss the lifestyle of the people. Okay, so we are going to discuss the lifestyle of the people in desert. Yes. To discuss the lifestyle of the people in desert, everybody need to take your textbook, page number 13. There is a story in your textbook, okay? So we have to discuss the story, then only we can complete our workbook, okay? The name of the story is Aastha's Pot. Aastha is the main character in the story. So let us read the story. Aastha ate the bajra rotis and looked inside the pot. Aastha ate the bajra roti, and she looked inside the pot. There was no water inside the pot. There was no water. She had to go to the stream and it was a long walk. So she need to get the water from the stream. So she has to go to long distances for getting water because that stream is far away from her house. The sand was hot and Aastha wished she was a camel. Then we already told this how is the climate in the desert. Desert have extreme climate, right? So in the daytime it will be very hot and nighttime it will be very cool. That is the climate in the desert. So we know the desert is covered by sand. So daytime the sand become very hot due to the heat of the sun. So she couldn't walk through that hot desert. So what she dreamed, she wished she was a camel. So we know if she is a camel, then she can easily walk through the desert because the camel has long legs, so it can easily walk through the desert and it can survive in the desert without drinking water and eating food. 2-3 days it can survive in the desert. So she wished she was a camel. Soon even the water in the stream would disappear. Now soon after few days this water in the stream disappear because summer had just started in Rajasthan. Now only the summer season is started in Rajasthan. So whatever the water is there in the stream, that also become dry soon. Aastha wore her gagra choli. So what kind of clothes she wear? She wear gagra choli and set out to collect water. Then she decided to go out for collecting water. She wrote a note on the mud wall of her hut. Then she was going out. There is no phone, and also what she did, she wrote on mud wall. They are living in mud house, so the wall is made up of mud. So what she wrote on the mud hut? So what she wrote on the wall of her hut, she telling her brother where she had gone. So where she had gone, that she wrote on the wall of her hut. Aastha could read and write now. She can read and write now. Her parents were laborers. So what her parents are doing? Her parents are laborers, working as laborers in the field or somewhere. Okay. So her parents were laborers and had gone to work. Aastha reached the stream. It was almost dry. When she was reached in the stream, what she saw? Yes, the stream was almost dry. How she wished it would rain. So she wished when rain is coming, then the stream will be filled with water. But it hardly did. So we know there is only few rainfall is receiving in the desert, isn't it? So there is no scope for raining also. So that is the story. Okay, now everybody take your workbook. Yes, page number 16, lifestyle in the desert. So we read the story of Aastha, isn't it? Now we can easily complete this chart. Okay, so in this chart it is only about the desert in Rajasthan. Okay, don't compare with other deserts. Okay, so deserts, the state of Rajasthan. So here we can see a chart. So we have to complete this chart now. Okay, so in the first column we can see food in the desert. Second column we can see houses and clothes. Third column column we can see work people do to earn their living. Then fourth column we can see what else. That means some other features about desert we have to mention here. Okay, so first one it is food in the desert. So when we read the story, we find that what she was eating. Yes, Asta was eating bajra roti, right? So we can write, it is already given there, the food in the desert, it is bajra roti. Okay, many other food items also there, but in the story it is only mentioned bajra roti. So one example is given to you. Then second question is houses and clothes of the people in desert. So first column we can write houses. So which kind of houses people live? Yes, houses are made of mud. So first column we can write houses are made of mud. Then clothes, which kind of clothes people wear? Yes, we told that Asta wear gagra choli. So we can write people wear colorful clothes. People wear colorful clothes. Okay, gagra choli means it is colorful. It is one kind of colorful cloth. Okay, so people wear colorful clothes. Okay, then next column, work people do to earn their living. Work people do to earn their living. So we already discussed, when we discussed the story, Asta's parents were laborers, right? So we can write first job, first work of the people. First we can write they work as labor. They work as laborers. They work as laborers. Okay. Then second column we can write, we know the people are farmers there. Or you can write other occupations also there, rearing sheep, goat, cattle, camel and all we studied. So you can give that answer also. Okay. So any two you can write. So next column we can give farmers. Okay. So first column they work as laborers. Second column they work as farmers. Okay. Then next one, what else? So what else means some other features of desert we can give here. So we already studied here people has to travel long distances for water. So one feature we can write that people has to go to long distances for water. Okay, then second one we can write deserts are covered by sand. Okay, deserts are sandy. Okay, so you can write there deserts are sandy or covered by sand. Like that way you can write another feature. Then third one we can write camel can walk easily on the sand. Or you can write camel is called ship of the desert. So any three features about the desert you can mention here. Okay, next one. Do you think that the life of the people in Rajasthan is influenced by the desert? Give one or two examples. We know the lifestyle of the people are influenced, life of the people are influenced by the desert, because we know how is the, which kind of clothes they wear, which type of houses they live. Then we know the people are walking long distances for getting water. This all are the some of the examples we can say. We can understand that the lifestyle of the people is influenced by desert. Okay, so how can we give the answer? Yes, the desert influences the lifestyle of the people living there. So examples we can give: people living in houses made of mud. People living in houses made of mud, and they have to travel long distances for getting water. So that all you can give as an example. So which are the answers we can give? Example we can give: people live in houses made of mud and people have to walk long distances to get water. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. Okay, now practice question not there, because lifestyle of the people in Rajasthan we have to write as a practice question that we already discussed in the previous class. Okay, so this much only you have to study today. So hope you all understood today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.